to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the beautiful football responsive theme for you, fully responsive and in very few price. So friend, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So we see the beautiful football theme. The top section, see the languages toggle, the main navbar, pages, shop, blog and contact. I will say again, this is simple HTML responsive theme without backend. I can see the main hero section. See friends, sticky navbar, fitness is ultimate goal. See, beautiful hover effect. Football is everything section. This pop-up video section. Upcoming matches. See guys. Get the ticket section as well. Professional player section. Most popular products. See friends, for e-commerce as well. Join with us section with beautiful contact us form. Newsletter section. The community section, see guys, and the footer, beautiful. Scroll to top and guys, see the beautiful responsive football theme. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Contact us page. In this page you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. Also multiple free things as well. You will get like e-commerce templates, admin dashboard templates and so on. And back to the beautiful theme. So friends, this is it, and if you want this theme then feel free to comment on this video. Also contact with my blog as well. So friends, at the end I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.